Hello students, today we are going to start our video with present perfect tense. Yesterday we have completed present continuous tense as well as past continuous tense, and today we will discuss present perfect tense and past perfect tense. So we have discussed then in present perfect tense we have has, have plus third form of verb. Has we will use with singular and have we will use with plural. So with this we know about uses, how to use present perfect tense to express actions that have been completed but whose effect continues till now. So we have example, I have taken my lunch. It means I have taken my lunch and my stomach is filled till now. So the effect of the food still remains in the stomach. That's why we will use simple present perfect tense had plus third form. Have plus third form. To express action completed recently. अभी अभी जो काम हुआ है, we have already decided to do this work. Have already decided. Have plus third form. It means we. With we will use have, and with he we will use has. We have discussed this thing already. Third, words like yet, as yet, already, just now, so far, since, ever since, presently, once, twice, thrice. With these words we will use present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. So I have seen, another example here, I have not seen him since Monday last. Since is given here. For example, fourth point, if since is followed by simple past tense, we have discussed in the earlier point when we are given since, then we will use present perfect tense has, have plus third form. But in the fourth point, if since is followed by simple past tense means after since you have second form, then since is preceded by present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, like example is given here, I have not seen him since he left India. Since he left is second form. Second form of verb. Left is second form of verb. So here we have plus third form. सिंस के बाद में अगर सेकेंड फॉर्म आई है तो उससे पहले यहाँ पे हम हैज़ हैव प्लस वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म यूज़ करेंगे. इन सच सेंटेंसेस द परफेक्ट फॉर्म ऑफ एनी मोड. परफेक्ट फॉर्म का मतलब थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. हैज़ हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. नेक्स्ट, any form of perfect can be used. He may have grown. May have grown means model with have plus third form. Since he lost seen him. If since is used at the beginning of the sentence, then the sentence formation will be follows as since he joined the army. In previous sentences we have seen since के बाद second form, and after this we have used he has not taken, has plus third form, any leave. Since he joined the army. अगर सिंस से स्टार्ट हुआ है सेंटेंस तो हमारी जो सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन वैसी ही रहेगी, लेकिन सिंस के बाद हम सेकेंड फॉर्म लगाएंगे, आफ्टर दैट कॉमा लगा के उसका सेकेंड क्लॉज आ जाएगा. रीज़न, रिजल्ट, use has have plus third form. We are unable to take test today because we have not prepared the lesson. We have not prepared our lesson. रीज़न दे रखा है साथ में, रिजल्ट भी. रिजल्ट क्या है? क्योंकि हम आज टेस्ट नहीं दे सकते हैं क्योंकि प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुई. क्लियर? टू शो बेस्ट रिजल्ट टिल नाउ. टू शो बेस्ट रिजल्ट टिल नाउ, अभी तक का बेस्ट रिजल्ट दिखाने के लिए. इट इज़ द बेस्ट बुक आई हैव एवर रेड. इट इज़ द बेस्ट मैच आई हैव एवर प्लेड. क्लियर? बेस्ट रिजल्ट शो करने के लिए भी हैज़ हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म. रेड, रेड हेयर इज थर्ड फॉर्म. क्लियर? सो वी विल डू नेक्स्ट simple past perfect tense. In few earlier pages we have discussed present perfect tense. Now we will discuss past perfect tense because we are comparing these present and past. So we can say past of past. Past perfect tense is also be called past of past. Not single used generally. It means when you will use past perfect tense, then it comes with another tense, like it will come with simple past tense. We can use it with before, when, after sentences. In these sentences you will definitely find a word like before, after, when. Here is example is given. The guest had already left when she reached there. When comes here, there are two sentences. In first sentences we have used had plus third form, had left, and in the second clause we have used second form, reached. Clear? Second point, to show an action where time limit is given in past. Time limit is of past. He had not paid his fees till the end of session. Till the end of session. सेशन का एंड हो गया, यानी कि पूरा सेशन बीत चुका है, पास्ट में है. सो ही हैड नॉट पेड हिज फीस टिल द एंड ऑफ session. Had plus third form. Clear? So we will use had plus third form in past perfect tense. Main structure is had plus third form. In negative we will use not after had, had not. When you want to make question mark with had, then use had first, then subject, then complete sentence. If you want to use had not in question sentences, in interrogative sentences, then you will put had first, had, then had, then subject, then not, then verb, then object in question sentences. Clear? So before after sentences, we have already discussed about before after sentences and simple past tense. The guest had already left when she reached there. Here is the example of when, but we have already discussed before and after, like the train had left before we reached the station. The patient had died before the doctor came. There are two sentences, two actions in a single sentence. One happened earlier the other. एक action पहले होता है, दूसरा बाद में होता है. Third point, To describe an action taking place before a particular time in the past. Past, in the past, there is a particular time given. So you will use had plus third form. By 2 p.m., all the students had left the school. By 2 p.m., all the students had left, had plus third form, had left the school. Next point, to describe an action in past which became the cause of another action. To describe an action in past which became the cause of another action. It means here again there are two actions. There are two actions. One is the cause and other is the result. So the child was crying. The reason of crying because his father had bitten him. One action takes place, the child was crying, and another action is the reason of that action, that the father had bitten him. Had plus third form and past continuous, was were plus first form ing. Next, to express an unfulfilled wish, or you can say conditional sentences. Conditional sentences. If he had worked hard, you would have passed. We have also discussed conditional sentences in simple present tense, in simple past tense, as well as past perfect tense. So, till the time we meet next, happy learning, keep loving literature. Thank you.